Hello, welcome. Today we are going to learn about adding decimals. In adding decimals, there are 3 steps that we are going to follow to guarantee to get the correct answer. First, we need to line the decimal up. Second, we need to place holder zeros. And at last, we are going to add. Straight, let's go to our first question. We have 3.065 plus 12.65. So our first step, we are going to line the decimal up. We have 3.065. We add by 12. I line up our decimal, so it's going to be straight away decimal 65. The second step, we are going to place holder zeros if there is any. And here we can see here, we can place holder zeros over here. Lastly, we are going to add, we will add thousandth with thousandth, hundredth with hundredth, tenth with tenth, and then we are going to drop decimal straight away, and then we are going to add ones with ones, and we are going to drop tens. 5 plus 0, we get 5. 6 plus 5, we get 11. We write 1, we carry 1. 1 plus 6, we got 7. Then we are going to line up decimal. 3 plus 2, we get 5. And here we are going to add 1. Let's do question number 2. We have 7.142 plus 3.693. The first thing, we are going to line the decimal up. 7.142. We add by 3.693. Here, we need to make sure that our decimals, they line up so as we can get the correct answer. Second, we need to place holder zeros, but for our question here, we don't have any place to place the holder zero. So straight, we are going to step number 3, where we are going to add. 2 plus 3, we get 5. 4 plus 9, we got 13. We got 3, we carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, we get 8. We line up our decimal. 7 plus 3, we got 10. Let us do question number 3. We have 3.96 plus 14.765. Our first step, we are going to line up our decimals. 3.96. We add by 14.765. The second step, we are going to place the holder zeros, and we have one place here. We are going to place our holder zeros. So we are going to put holder 0 there. Our last step, we are going to add 0 plus 5, we get 5. 6 plus 6, we're going to get 12. We're at 2, we carry 1. 1 plus 9, it's 10. Plus 7, 17. We're at 7. We carry 1, and we line up our decimals. 1 plus 3, we got 4. 4 plus 4, we get 8. And here we are going to drop 1. So our answer is 18.725. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.